In this video, you'll discover how to manage animations and the timeline with Madyourself. All assets are linked to a layer. So first of all, I'm going to select the asset or layer I want to animate. Then I'll move the cursor on the timeline where I want the animation to happen. The animation panel is now available. Keep in mind that the timeline represents the creative's duration, and the cursor represents the end of the animation. So it will not be possible to add an animation if the cursor is on 0 seconds. It's really important to understand how the timeline works in Madyourself. So I'm going to click on Add Animations. A keyframe has now appeared in the timeline. This keyframe is the animation I'm currently creating and is linked to the layer asset. To move and organize animations in the timeline, just click on the keyframe and drag it where you want to. The width of the keyframe is the animation duration. You can increase or reduce the duration by clicking on the arrow to expand or compress the keyframe. I'm going to click on the circle below the keyframe here to edit the animation. Animations are really simple to make with Madyourself. Just unleash your creativity. Adjust size, opacity, scale. Or click and drag to move or rotate the asset. All of these edits will define the animation. You're free to do anything. Then click on Add Animation button to save, and the magic happens. You're free to add other animations, edit existing ones, or move them in the timeline. Another useful thing to know about animations is easing. Easing is the process of making the animation less severe or pronounced. Easing makes your animations feel more natural. There are 4 differences in Madyourself: linear, ease in, ease out, ease in out. Ease in animations start slowly and end fast. You can see the keyframe's curve that represents the acceleration has changed. Ease in are useful for opening animations. Ease out animations start fast and end slowly. They're useful for closing animations. Ease in-out animations are a combination of ease in and ease out. The slow start, fast middle, and slow end increase contrast in animation, which is quite satisfying for users. Generally used for basics animations. Linear animations have no acceleration. Animation speed is constant. Generally, I avoid using linear animation because things tend to feel robotic and unnatural. You can now click on the play button to play the animation. Or on preview to have a complete view of what your creative really looks like. Thanks for watching, and enjoy Madyourself to improve digital campaigns. Don't hesitate to ask us anything via live chat, and we'll be happy to help.